Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. This is Sir Angela Espinosa. I will be discussing about the question given, okay, about the pesticide calculations. Okay, so this is the question. A mango contractor from Santa Barbara, Pangasinan, Mr. Juan and Marlene Inosorio used a combination of botanical and fungus growth regulator. So, anong ginamit? Fungus growth regulator. BIFGR to spray mango trees, 5 sprays during the mango season. So the couple used 1 liter bottle of BIFGR that cost 1,400 pesos per liter and 6 liters of MBA 54 that cost 25 pesos per liter. How much is the total cost to spray 3 big century-old mango trees? Require 200 liters per spray for the entire mango season that require 5 sprays. The choices are A. 2,583.33 pesos. B. 1,800 pesos. C. 2,583.50 pesos. D. 2,500 pesos. Now, let's going to break down all the given data given, and then all the data given, and then followed by the recommendation and the question being asked. Okay? So, this is how you're going to compute, no, for this problem. Okay? Lahat naman nagagamit, lahat ng mga given na data na binigay ay magagamit for the computation. Now, there's no specific formula for the question given. Ang kailangan lang is to analyze the question properly so that you can come up with the formula as long as you know the conversion unit. Okay? So, let's now proceed to the uh, solution. Okay? So now how are you going to solve it? First is to list down the given data of the problem. Diba? Ano daw yung mga problem dun sa given data? No? Ano yung mga data? Sorry, ano yung mga given data doon sa problem na binigay? First is, the given data is the BIFGR is equals to 1,400 per liter. No? And they use 1 liter, 1 bottle liter of BIFGR. And then the MBA 54, okay, is 25 pesos per liter, and they use 6 liter of the MBI 54. Okay? So next is, that is the data na binigay. So yan yung cost na yung ginastusan nila, si BIFGR at saka si MBA 54. So always mind that, ha, kung ano yung mga ginastusan nila. Next, number 2, you are going to spot the recommendation. Kasi sa pesticide computation naman, calculation, meron yung recommendation given. Example, sa isang hektarya, ilang pesticides ang magagamit, no? Recommendation. So, meron yan. And there are some of the problem na walang recommendation. Meaning, you don't need to spot for the recommendation. What are you going to do is to, madali lang din yun because you are going to look, no, kung ilang litro ang kailangan, ganun. But here, since we are looking to the amount, no, we are going to looking to the amount, so there is a recommendation dapat given in the data, no? I mean, in the problem, okay? So, number 2 is spot the recommendation. Now, what is the recommendation given? They said na sa problem na there are in 3 mango trees, they sprayed 200 liters per spray. Okay? So always remember that 200 liters is composed of in 1 drum, okay? In 1 drum there are 200 liters. Okay? That's a conversion. In 1 drum there are about 200 liters of water. Okay? Now, the recommendation is that in 3 mangoes, there are about 200 liters per spray. Yun ang kanilang nagagamit every mango season. Okay, that's the recommendation actually. Okay, so next is you are going to look what is being asked. Ano nga ba yung itinatanong. Ano ba yung tanong sa sa problem na binigay? So the question was, how much is the total cost? Oh, ilan daw yung total cost? No, pag we say about total cost, it is the summation or the sum up of all, okay, of all the cost or ginastos mo or ginastusan mo. Okay? So that is what we call total cost. Okay? Parang binabalik lang natin yung economics natin before. Okay? So that is these are the things that you are going to do. Okay? You are going to spot the given data. Okay, that's ano talaga. That's the first step that you're going to do, to look for the given data and then spot the recommendation, no? What is the recommendation and then what is being asked. The next thing you're going to do is to look what is being asked. Okay? So parang lang din yan eh. When we were in high school or we were in elementary, we are taught by our teacher on how to solve problem solving. Okay? So, yan yung gawin. Okay, now sir, ano nga ba yung formula? For me, honestly, I do not know the formula of this problem. Okay? I do not know the formula because I do not memorize formula because, sometimes you cannot use those formula. What are you going to do? You analyze properly and understand the question. No? Okay? Because all the given data is actually useful naman talaga to answer the question. Okay? Now, how are you going to solve this? Using this data, okay, I want you to mind this or you jot down notes. Using this data, we will now going to compute sir, paano nga ba yung computation yan? Okay, paano yung computation? Yung tinatanong, how much? Pag sinabi mong how much, it talk about the amount of money, okay, the amount of cost or magkano yung nagastos mo. Ayun, sa pagpa-spray sa mango trees. Okay? Century trees. Yan na. Now, what are you going to do? First is you are going to compute the total liter of water they used. No? Ilan nga ba yung total of water they used doon sa big century mango tree, no, during the mango season? Ilan nga ba yung kanilang nagagastos na liter of water? Kasi we know naman talaga, if you're going to use pesticides, no? We're going to use fertilizers, ano pa ba, mga insecticides, ganon. So, hindi naman puro yung ating ginagamit, no? Hindi siya puro yung ginagamit. Of course, we need to mix it with the water. Always remember that. Now, we need to look for the total of water, a liter of water na kailangan. So, the given data was, so this is the total liter of water. So, there are about 200, di ba? Sabi nga, in 3 mango trees, there are about 200 liter per spray, no? We are going now to solve the total liter of water. So in 200 liter per spray, there are about 3 trees. So you are going to divide it. Sir, 'di ba nasa baba yung ano, 'di ba nasa baba dapat yung 200 liter? Actually kahit ano 'yan eh. Ah uh, ah ganito 'yan. Kaya 'di ba dapat nasa baba yung 200 liter? No, kasi nga, ang kukunin kasi natin yung liter per spray, hindi yung trees. Okay? So, ang tinatanong dito, how many liter of water per spray per trees? Yung tinatanong. Okay? So, 200 liter, okay, 200 liter divided by, okay, just give me one moment. I'll get my pen here. So, 200 liter per spray is divided by 3 trees. Kasi tatlong trees yung recommendation, right? And then, is equals to 66.67 liter per spray. So, mayroon pa namang trees. Actually, mayroon pa yung word dito na trees. So, hindi ko na lang nilagay. Kasi ang kinakailangan lang naman is liter per spray. Okay? Meron pa lang supposed to be dito trees. Yan na natin. Okay? And, okay, so that is equals to 67 liter per spray. So now, 66.67 liter times natin sa 5 spray. Sir, bakit 5 spray? Kasi yun ang ginagawa nila, no? Sa per mango season, they spray it 5 spray, no? Yung 200 liter. They divide it into 5 sprays. Okay? So now you're going to multiply it into 5 spray. So that will give you 333.35 liter. Okay? 333.35 liter per spray na yun. Sorry, that should not be per spray because it could, ano na yan siya, di ba? Meron yan dito liter and then spray. So, kaka-cancel out na yan kasi liter lang man yung kailangan natin. So, makaka-cancel out yung spray. So, ang mangyayari ngayon is that maiwan ang liter. So that's why our unit now, our new unit is liter. Okay, so the correct answer is 333.35 liter. So that's how you're going to compute for the total liter of the water. So hindi ko na lang nilagay yung ano dito, hindi ko na nilagay yung liter spray. Supposed to be may spray pen dito. Actually, ganyan yan yung mangyayari. No? May cancellation naman ng unit yan. Okay? So next is you are going to look for the cost of BIFGR kasi dalawa yung cost na ginastusan mo eh. MBA 54 tsaka BIFGR. Now, you are going to check or to look for the cost. Magkano nga ba yung nagastos mo sa BIFGR? Okay, so ang ginastos mo sa BIFGR is that how much is the amount given? They're about 1,400 pesos per liter, no? Yung isang BIFGR. Now, ang nagamit nila ay isang litro, bottle na litro ng BIFGR. Okay, so ita-times mo lang yan. Okay, that will give you 1,400 pesos. Okay, that will give you 1,400 pesos. Okay? And, so, yun, cancel natin yung unit and then divided by 200 liter. So, ano yung 200 liter? Yun yung given doon sa tanong. Okay, 200 liter yung ginagamit every mango season. Okay, times natin. Okay, times natin 333.35, no? Bakit times natin si 333.35 liter? Kasi yun ang nagagamit. Yun yung total liter of water. Okay? Per spray nila. Okay? Total 333.35. So, times natin yung 333.35, yung total liter of water. And then, that will give you 2,333.43 pesos. So, that is the cost of the BIFGR. Okay? Next, or fungicide. Okay? Next is to look for the cost of MBA 54. Okay? To look for the MBA 54. Kasi yung ginamit nila is botanical and fungus growth regulator, di ba? So, ito yung ginamit nila. So, we have cost of MBA 54. Magkano nga yun? We have 25 pesos per liter, di ba? And they already use 6 liter uh, 6 liter of that MBA 54. And then now they're going to times it 25 times 6, so magkano? So that will give you 630. Okay, that will give you mga 80 ganun. Okay, or ba? 6 12, sorry. 12 natin check natin, sorry. Times natin ha para mas maganda. Okay, so that will give you 3 and so 6 12. Okay, then so that will give you 150. Okay? So, liter. So, yan. 150 pesos. Okay? That will give you 150 pesos. Sorry. Okay? That will give, this one is 150 pesos. Times natin. Okay? Ayan. So, next is, divide natin by 200 liter. Sir, bakit talaga kailangan ng 200 liter? Kasi nagulang din ako kasi meron din sa kabila, sir. Yes, kasi nga, ang given is used. Nakagamit sila ng 6 liter. Ibig sabihin, na-mix na yun with the water na ginamit nila. So, ang binigay doon sa situation is that generalized na as a whole liter of water na they use it. Isang drum yung ginamit nila. Okay. So, times 333.35 liter. So, times lang natin yung total liter of water. Okay. And then, that will give you 250 pesos. 250.0125 pesos. So, that is the cost of the MBA 54. Okay. Now, next is we are going to look for the total cost. So, alam niyo na ibig sabihin ng total cost, di ba, sa economics? When you talk about the total cost, it is the summation of all costs or expenses. Yung total. So, ito total natin ngayon, yung BIFGR. Okay, magkano yung BIFGR? Di ba ang BIFGR ay nagkakahalaga ng 2,333.45, di ba? And the MBA now is 250.0125 pesos also. So ipi-plus lang natin sila, isa-summation lang natin, no, i-add lang natin sila, and that will give us 2,583.4625. Now, pag wala sa choices yan, it means that you are going to round it off. Okay, so that will give you 2,583.50. So the correct answer is 2,583.50, meaning, okay, in 200 liters of the fungicide and growth regulator na ginamit, okay, so in 200 liters, they're about, na sa pag-spray sa pag-spray ng 3 mango trees, sorry, bulal yan. Sa pag-spray ng 3 mango trees, there are about 2,583.50 ang magagastos. Okay, so that is actually pesos kasi referring to the costs or pera yung pinag-uusapan. Okay, so now let's check the question again. No, a mango contractor from Santa Barbara, Pangasinan, Mr. Juan and Marlene and Osorio, so yan, pampagulo na yan, yung mga given data, use a combination of botanical and fungus growth regulator. BIFGR, ito yung given, to spray mango trees, 5 sprays, 5 sprays during the mango season. So this is the first paragraph, no? May binigay na agad siya. Actually, usually talaga pag sa first paragraph, minsan andyan na yung the entire data. Meron din sa first paragraph na andyan yung recommendation. So, sabi dito, 5 sprays during the mango season. So, 5 sprays yung nagagamit nila during the mango season. So, the couple use 1 liter. So, ginagamit ng couple use 1 liter of BIFGR na nagkakalaga ng 1,400 pesos per liter. And 6 liters of MBA 54 nagkakalaga ng 25 pesos per liter. So magkano? Ang tinatanong doon is how much is the total cost? So this is the highlight actually. How much is the total cost to spray a 3 big century old mango trees? Pag century, matagal na to, like 20 years, ganun. So, yan, 3 big century old mango tree. So, ilan daw? Magkano? So, magkano yung magkano yung requirement niya or recommendation? Requirement or recommendation ay isa lang yun. Okay, magkano yung requirement or recommendation? 200 liters. Okay, 200 liters per spray for the entire mango season. So, nagagastos nila for the entire mango season, 200 ang nagagastos nila. 200 liters, no? Sa tatlong big century old mango tree. Okay, yun. That require 5 sprays. Nagre-require or nagre-recommend ng 5 sprays. So, the correct answer for that is letter C, 2,583.50. Ano yung unang ginawa natin? Ulitin natin. Ang unang ginawa natin is to compute for the liter of the liter of the water, the total liter of the water na ginamit natin. Kasi since it is given na 200 liters per spray yung tinatanong, no, every mango season. And then, we compute for the cost ng BIFGR, since yun ang tanong, yun ang ginastusan. And then, MBA 54. After computing the cost of the BIFGR and the MBA 54, that's the time that you are going to add on because it talks about the total cost. It means that the summation of all the expenses all the expenses that being given in the problem. So, ipa-plus lang natin and that will give you 2,583.50. Okay? So, that could be all for today. Hopefully, you understand how you're going to, you understand the computation of about this problem because maraming naguguluhan dito kung ano ba talagang tamang sagot because some of the also mga vlogger and then sa iba ding mga teacher, no, they answer letter A. Kasi daw nga, pampagulo lang daw yung 200 liters. Well, that's not a pampagulo. That's a given data na kailangan natin. Kasi recommendation or requirement din yun. Kasi ang word is require 200 liters per spray. Meaning that is a requirement, not pampagulo. The thing is that you cannot see a pampagulo in the third sentence or in the third sentence of the problem. You can only see pampagulo in the first paragraph of the, or first sentence of the problem. Dun yan usually nakikita. Okay? So, yun. Ang iba, may ano naman sila, pamaraan kung paano i-compute ang ganitong klaseng tanong. Pero this is how you're going to compute for this problem given. Okay? So again, if you do not understand the problem, you can go back to this video, okay, tutorial. You can go back to this video tutorial so that you can get the correct answer. Okay? Para i-practice mo na lang din yung sarili mo pag may mga ganitong tanong na lalabas sa board examination. Actually, this question was being asked po noong 2019. Ito po yung tanong sa 2019 na question. Actually, ito po yung na-encounter namin na tanong. So that's why this is how you're going to compute for this question. Okay? So hopefully you learn a lot today, and thank you very much. Yan. Annyeong haseyo and kamsahamnida everyone, and have a great day.